Let's take a look at an example of a law firm in New Jersey that's using search box optimization to outrank their competitors and show up in the search box when their prospects or customers are looking for services that they offer. So let's put in New Jersey DUI, and even before I actually complete the sentence here of what I'm looking for, imagine a customer that's looking for a DUI lawyer in New Jersey. And here you could see Google law firm appears. Now there's no other brand or business name that's attached to this term. But what's really powerful is that when you click on this or when you complete this sentence, you actually see the suggested term appear below. And as we start typing, even before we get to the complete sentence, so you see how that shows up even before, and it will remain there. You notice how that's remaining? Okay, and so what's going to happen is other terms that are picked up as well are associating these terms with this firm. So let's go ahead and click on that now as if it was being suggested, and now we are on the search result page for that click through. And look at this. On the right side is the same firm, left side same firm. The location links are here and the organic links are here. And so nearly all of the information that's on the first page that a customer visits after searching and then going through the suggestion or the autocomplete, they will see all the information regarding and all the digital assets regarding this business. This is the power of search box optimization to get top of mind marketing where you don't have to pay for clicks, 24/7 showing up in the search box and 100% measurable and tracked using Bing Webmaster and Google Console. If you'd like more information on getting search box optimization in your state or your city or other terms that are associated to your business, please get in touch with us and we'll be happy to help you.